Our lesson today is the equations. If you weigh something by using a balance scale, the weight in the left pan is equal to the weight in the right pan to be in the upright position. So if I have here 5 kilograms, the other side I have 3 kilograms and 2 kilograms, which are equal to 5 to keep the balance right position. This situation expresses an important mathematical relation which is called the equation. Here in this figure, if the weight of the watermelon is x kilogram, then in the left pan there is x plus 3 kilogram, and in the scale is balanced and the weight in the right pan is 10 kilogram. Then the two pans of the scale are equal, so I have in the left pan x plus 3 and in the right pan 10 kilograms, so x plus 3 equals to 10. I can find the value of x. The mathematical relation x plus 3 equals 10 is called an equation, and it contains one variable x, which is called the unknown. X plus 3 equals 10. So, what's the value of x? The value of x equals to 7, because 7 plus 3 equals 10. X equals 7, this is called the solution of the equation. X plus 3 equals 10. Because 7 plus 3 equals 10. Here in this figure, if the weight of each rabbit is z kilogram, then I have here 2 times z or 2z equal, and I have in the right pan 5 kilogram and 1 kilogram, so they are equal to 6. The solution of this equation is that z equals 3, as 2 times 3 equals 6. But here I have just small numbers, I can get it with my mind. But what if I have a big number? We can use the inverse operation to help solve any equation. Inverse operation is an opposite method. If I have plus, I can send it to the other side and it will be changed to minus. This is the opposite. And if I have minus, I will send it to the other side with plus, the opposite of the subtraction. And if I have multiplication, I will send it also to the other side and it will be division. If I have division, send it to the other side and it will be multiply. This is called the inverse operation. It's an opposite method. Let's take an example. Here I want to find the value of x. I have x plus 3 equals 5. So, I have to take the number to the other side with the opposite sign. So, I will circle plus 3 and I will send it to the other side, but with the different sign. The plus will be minus, and 3 will be as it is. So now I have in the left side x equals 5 minus 3 equals 2. So x equals 2. If I check my answer, x plus 2 equals 5. So I'm right. So every time I can use the inverse operation to solve my equation. Let's take another example. If I have 3 plus x equals 5. Again, the same way. I will send the number or take the number to the other side with the opposite sign. So I will circle 3 and the sign, and I will send it to the other side but with opposite sign. So it will be 5 minus 3. So now I have x only in this side equal to 5 minus 3. So x will be 2. If I check my answer, 3 plus 2 equals 5, so I'm right. Okay, another example. If I have 3x equals 6, when I have 3x, it means that I have here a hidden multiplication. There is a hidden multiplication between the 3 and the x. I want to find the value of x. Again, I have to take the number to the other side with the opposite sign. So I will circle 3 and I will send it to the other side. We said that here I have a hidden multiplication, so in the other side it will be division. 6 divide 3. So x now it's equal to 6 divided 3. 6 divided 3 equals 2. So x equals 2. Another example. 2 times x equals 14. Again, I have to take the number to the other side with the opposite sign. So circle 2 and multiply and take them to the other side. It will be divide. The opposite of the multiplication is division. So it will be divide 2. So x now equals 14 divide 2. So x equals 7. And I solved all my equation with the inverse operation way. Another example, find the value of x. X minus 3 equals 4. Okay, again, I will take the number to the other side with the opposite sign. So I will circle my number and the sign, and I will take them to the other side with the opposite side. The opposite of the subtraction is addition plus. So it will be 4 plus 3. So x equals 4 plus 3. X equals 4 plus 3 equals 7. So x equals 7. This is the solution of my problem, or the value of x. Another example, x divided 3 equals 4. Again, take the number to the other side with the opposite sign. So I will circle my number, send it to the other side with the opposite sign. The opposite of division is multiplication. So multiply 3. So x equals 4 times 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. So x equals 12. Here I have 9 minus x equals 4. When the unknown comes after subtraction or division, when the letter or the variable comes after subtraction or division, as here in this case, I will switch with the number after equal without changing the sign. Let's see how. Here the x is after the multiplication. The variable or the letter or the unknown is after the subtraction sign. So I will just switch it with the number after the equal without changing the sign. So I will put 4 in x place and x in the 4 place. So it will be 9 minus 4 equal x. So x equals 9 minus 4 equals 5. So x equals 5. And that's it. Okay, another example. If I have 9 divided x equals 3. Again, the x here is after the division sign. So if the variable or the letter comes after subtraction or division, I will switch with the number after the equal without changing the sign. So I will switch the x with the 3 without changing the sign. So it will be 9 divided 3 equals x. 9 divided 3 equals 3, so x will be equals 3. Okay, open your booklets at page 27 and let's solve the equation for the given replacement sets. I have in letter A 6 times y equals 42. I want to find the value of y. Solve the equation means find the value of the unknown or the letter. Okay, I have here what? I have here, I have to send the number to the other side with the opposite sign. Or I will take the number to the other side with the opposite sign. So 6, and here multiplication, it will be division. So 42 divided 6. Y equal 42 divided 6. 42 divided 6 equals 7. So I will choose 7. In letter B, I have 9 n divided 6 equals 9. So I have my number is divide 6. I will send it to the other side and I will change the sign. So I will take divided 6, it will be multiplied 6. N equal 9 times 6. 9 times 6 equals 54. So the answer is 54. In letter C, I have 43 and we said when the number and the variable just stick together without any sign, it means that there is a hidden multiplication here. So I will circle 43 and I will send it to the other side with the opposite sign. The opposite of multiplication is division. So it will be 43 divided 43. N equal 43 divided 43 equals 1. So the answer is 1. In letter D, H minus 56 equals 61. I have here minus 56. Take it to the other side and change the sign, or with the opposite sign. I will take it to the other side. The opposite of the subtraction is addition. So it will be plus 56. 61 plus 56 equals 117. So the answer is 117. In letter E, A plus 18 equals 18. I have plus 18. Plus 18 means that I will send it to the other side with the opposite sign. The opposite of addition is subtraction. So it will be 18 minus 18 equals 0. So the answer is 0. In letter F, 96 minus h equal 83. Here I have the h comes after the subtraction sign. So when the letter or the variable comes after the subtraction sign, I have to switch with the number after the equal without changing the sign. So I will switch between the 83 and the h. It will be 96 minus 83 equals 13. So h equals 13. Number 2, use the inverse operation to write a related equation and solve for the variable. In letter A, I have 3x equal 15. So take the number to the other side with the opposite sign. So I will take 3 to the other side with the opposite sign. Here the sign is hidden multiplication. So I will send it to the other side as division. So it will be 15 divided 3. So x equal 15 divided 3. 15 divided 3 equals 5. So x equals 5. In letter B, I have 4y equal 20. So take the number to the other side with the opposite sign. So I will take 4 to the other side. Here I have a hidden multiplication. It will be a division. So it will be 20 divided 4. So y equal 20 divided 4. 20 divided 4 equals 5. So y equals 5. In letter C, z divided 8 equals 6. Circle the number. Take it to the other side with the opposite sign. So the opposite of division is multiplication. So it will be 6 times 8. So z equals 6 times 8. 6 times 8 equals 48. So z equals 48. Letter D, I have 5 times x equals 35. Circle the 5. Take it to the other side with the opposite sign. So here the opposite of multiplication is division. It will be divided 5. So x equals 35 divided 5. 35 divided 5 equals 7. So x equals 7. Booklet page 28. Letter E, 5n equal 45. take the number to the other side with the opposite sign. So circle the 5. Here I have a hidden multiplication. It will be division. It will be 45 divided 5. So n equal 45 divided 5, n equal 9. In letter F, 2x equals 12. Circle the number, take it to the other side with the opposite sign. So it will be divided 2. X equals 12 divided 2. 12 divided 2 equals 6. So x equals 6. 9y equals 81. Circle the number, take it to the other side with the opposite sign. So y equals 81 divided 9. And 81 divided 9 equals 9, so y equals 9. 6m equals 30. Circle your number, take it to the other side with the opposite sign. The opposite of multiplication is division, so it will be divided 6. So m equals 30 divided 6. 30 divided 6 equals 5, so m equals 5. 4 plus z equals 18 in letter I. So circle the number, take it to the other side with the opposite sign. The opposite of plus is minus, so it will be 18 minus 4. So z equal 18 minus 4 equals 14, so z equals 14. In letter J, I have 30 minus y. So here in this case, this is a special case, I have the variable or the letter after the subtraction. So I will switch with the number after the equal without changing the sign. So it will be 30 minus 15 equals y. I just switch the places. So 30 minus 15 equals 15, so y equals 15. In letter K, 54 divided n equals 18. Again, divided n, so the variable or the letter comes after the division sign. So I will switch. So it will be 54 divided 18 equals n. So 54 divided 18 equals 3. So n equals 3. In letter L, 7x equals 21. Send it to the other side with the opposite sign. The opposite of multiplication is division. So divided 7. So x equals 21 divided 7. 21 divided 7 equals 3. So x equals 3. In letter M, I have y minus 6 equals 20. So circle the number, take it to the other side with the opposite sign. The opposite of subtraction is addition. So it will be plus 6. So y equals 20 plus 6. Y equals 26. In letter N, m times 5 equals 120. Circle the number, take it to the other side with a different sign. So it will be divided 5. So m equals 120 divided 5. 120 divided 5 equals 24. In letter O, I have 4 minus b equals 3. I have here b, or the variable or the letter, comes after the subtraction. So I will switch. It will be 4 minus 3 equals b. 4 minus 3 equals 1, so b equals 1. In letter P, I have also the letter T comes after the subtraction sign. So I will switch. It will be 90 minus 33 equals T. So 90 minus 33 equals 57, so T equals 57. In letter Q, I have 11x equals 66. Take the number to the other side with the opposite sign. So here I have a hidden multiplication, it will be divided 11. So x equals 66 divided 11. So x equals 6. In letter R, I have 49 divided g equals 7. So here I have the g comes after the division sign. So I will switch. So 49 divided 7 equals g. 49 divided 7 equals 7, so g equals 7. Booklet page 29. Inverse operations. Number 1, underline the solution of each of the following equations. In letter A, I have p plus 4 equals 18. Send the number to the other side with the opposite sign. So it will be minus 4. 18 minus 4 equals 14, so p equals 14. Letter B, 10m equals 90. Send the number to the other side with the opposite sign. So it will be, I have here a hidden multiplication, it will be divide 10. 90 divided 10 equals 9, so m equals 9. K divided 6 equals 6. So send the number to the other side with the opposite sign. It will be times 6. 6 times 6 equals 36, so k equals 36. In letter D, n times 1.5 equals 3. So I will send 1.5 with the opposite sign. It will be divided 1.5. 3 divided 1.5 equals 2, so n equals 2. In letter E, x minus 150 equals 50. Circle 150, send it to the other side with the opposite sign, so it will be plus 150. 50 plus 150 equals 200, so x equals 200. In number 2, use the inverse operation to write a related equation, then find the value of the variable. It means solve the equation or find the value of the variable, which is x, z, and the variable. So, in letter A, I have x plus 8 equals 50. Circle the 8, send it to the other side with the opposite sign. So it will be minus 8. X equals 15 minus 8. So x equals 7. In letter B, y plus 9 equals 24. Circle the 9, send it to the other side with the opposite sign. So it will be minus 9. So y equals 24 minus 9, so y equals 50. In letter C, z plus 8 equals 8. Circle the 8, send it to the other side with the opposite sign. So it will be minus 8. So z equals 8 minus 8, so z equals 0. In letter D, n minus 15 equals 42. Circle minus 15, send it to the other side with the opposite sign, so it will be plus 15. So n equals 42 plus 15, n equals 57. In letter E, 3c equals 27. Circle 3, send it to the other side with the opposite sign. Here I have a hidden multiplication, so it will be division. So 27 divided 3. So c equals 27 divided 3, so c equals 9. In letter F, I have 9 divided 6 equals n divided 6 equals 9. So circle the divided 6, send it to the other side with the opposite sign. The opposite of the division is multiplication, so it will be times 6. So n equals 9 times 6, so n equals 54. Booklet page 30. Letter G, b minus 46 equals 46. Minus 46, send it to the other side with the opposite sign, so it will be plus 46. So b equals 46 plus 46, so b equals 92. Circle 2, send it to the other side with the opposite sign. So it will be minus 2. So x equals 5 minus 2, so x equals 3. Here, solve each of the following equations. Letter A, I have w minus 47.5 equals 3.7. Circle minus 47.5, send it to the other side with the opposite sign, so it will be plus 47.5. So w equals 3.7 plus 47.5, so w equals 51.2. In letter B, p plus 1.02 equals 46. So circle 1.02, send it to the other side with the opposite sign. So it will be minus 1.02. So P equal 46 minus 1.02. So P equal 44.98 hundredth. In letter C, 2.5x equals 17.5. Circle 2.5, send it to the other side with the opposite sign. So here I have an hidden multiplication, so it will be divided 2.5. So x equals 17.5 divided 2.5. So x equals 7. In letter D, 34 minus m equals 3.04. I have here the variable comes after the subtraction sign. So all I have to do is to switch. So it will be 34 minus 3.04 equals m. So m equals 30.96. In number 2, I have solved. 1. Adding 4 to number produces 11. Adding, this is a keyword for plus. 4, this is my number. To a number means any number to a variable. I don't know it. And produces 11 means equal. And 11, this is my answer. So I have to change this into an equation, to write it as an equation. So it will be 4 plus, you can write any letter, any variable, x for example, equals 11. So I change it now to an equation. And then I will solve it. Send 4 to the other side with the opposite sign, so it will be minus 4. So x will be 11 minus 4, so x equals 7. In number 2, if 10 is subtracted from a number, then the result is 25. If 10, this is my number, subtracted, this is a key word for minus, from a number, so any variable, I don't know it, any letter, you can write any letter, then the result means it's equal to 25. We said before that you have to put the number or the variable after from first. So put any letter, x for example, and then minus, subtracted, 10, and the result is 25, so it will be equals 25. So now I change it to an equation, and I want to solve this equation. Circle your number, send it to the other side with the opposite sign. So it will be x equals 25 plus 10, so x equals 35. Your booklet page 31. Number 3. If 5 is added to a double of a number, the result is 35. Let's read it step by step. If 5, this is my number, added, this is a keyword for plus. We said before that double means times 2. Number, this is my variable, any letter, you can write any letter. The result means equals 35. This is my final answer. I want to change this phrase into equation. So I will make it 5 plus, this is added, double means times 2, means 2 and the variable, so it will be 2x. 2 times the variable, we don't have to write times, so we will write it 2x directly. There is a hidden multiplication between them. The result means equal 35. So 5 plus 2x equals 35. I want to find the value of x. Okay, here I have 2 steps. First, I have to take the 5 to the other side with the opposite sign. So it will be minus 5. So 2x equals 35 minus 5. Okay, I still didn't find the value of x. I still have here 2x. So I have 2x equals 35 minus 5 equals 30. Okay, now I have a new problem. I have a new equation. I want to find the value of x. So I will send 2 to the other side with the opposite sign. So here I have a hidden multiplication, so it will be divided 2. So x equals 30 divided 2, x equals 50. Okay. In number 3, find the value of x. Number 1, I have 3x plus 4 equal 90. So First, I have to send the number which is alone not stick to the x to the other side. So send plus 4 to the other side with the opposite sign. It will be minus 4. So 3x equals 19 minus 4. So 3x equals 15. I want to find the value of x. So again, I will send the 3 to the other side with the opposite sign. So it will be, here I have a hidden multiplication, so it will be divided 3. So x equals 15 divided 3. 15 divided 3 equals 5, so x equals 5. I have 2 steps here in this problem to find the value of x. Okay, let's take another example. If I have here number 2, 2x minus 10 equals 12. Okay, first, send the number which is alone not stick to the x to the other side with the opposite sign. It will be plus 10. So 2x equals 12 plus 10. 2x equals 22. And then I want to find the value of x, so I have to send 2 to the other side and I will change the sign. So it will be divided 2, as I have here a hidden multiplication. So x will be 22 divided 2, it will be 11. So x equals 11. In number 3, I have 5 plus 4x equal 25. So first you have to send the number which is not stick to the x to the other side with an opposite sign. So it will be minus 5. So 4x as it is equal 25 minus 5 and equals 4x equals 20. So I want to find the value of x. So circle the 4, send it to the other side with the opposite sign. Here I have a multiplication, so I will send it to the other side. It will be division. So x equals 20 divided 4. 20 divided 4 equals 5, so x equals 5. In number 4, the first step, when I have 3x plus 7 equals 19, first step, send the number which is not stick to the x to the other side with the opposite sign, so it will be minus 7. So 3x equals 19 minus 7, so 3x equals 12. And then the second step, you have to send the 3 to the other side with the opposite sign, so it will be x equal 12 divided 3. So the value of x is x equals